Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Tradify to Tradovate. So first of all, you need to come here on Tradify.co. Over here, click on the option of sign in and you need to simply just sign in into your Tradify account. Now, when you are inside your Tradify dashboard, you need to open your trading account. After activation, Tradify is going to provide you the Tradovate username and password which are associated with your account. So you need to simply copy those credentials because you will need them in order to log in into your Tradovate account. So when you have those credentials, you need to simply come here on tradovate.com. Over here, click on the option of login, then provide the username and the password that are basically provided to you by Tradify. Now, if you are logging in for the very first time, Tradovate may ask you to complete the required CME market data agreement. So you need to simply follow the prompts and select the non-professional if that classification applies to you. Now, after completing the agreement, you need to give the Tradovate some time to activate your market data. So once it is active, your Tradify account should appear inside Tradovate. If price doesn't start updating or it is not updating immediately, you can also log out of the Tradovate account and then login back in. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.